Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mithun Upendra and I'm here with another product which is I'm going to unbox. This I got it from Myntra. So this is a fossil watch which is BQ2494. I'm going to unbox this. First, I'm going to let you know why did I purchase this. I basically had two daily drivers, which is my Amaze Fit. So this is a 5-year-old. It's a pretty cool watch. It is a fitness based watch, so I wear it when I'm going to a mall or to my gym or for trekking or bicycling. That's where I use this. This is pretty cool. It has a carbon fiber complete bezel and it also comes with ceramic outer bezels. And this is my another watch which is G-Shock 2100 series. This one I use it mostly when I'm riding a motorcycle because it absorbs vibration and shock pretty well and it does not affect the movement of the watch. I wanted to add one more daily driver, so that is the reason I got this. I did not wanted anything that has a metal strap. I wanted something lighter but also looks cooler. So let's unbox this and see for ourselves. So this one I got it from Myntra and looks to be a brand new piece coming from the warehouse directly onto my hands. So which is I like personally, and the packaging is top notch and the box as well. I like this one. So nothing else inside the box. I love this metal box. Fossil always has this metal box. This is a warranty validation card. Since this is from Myntra, I have to use the receipt for any warranty claims. So straight out of the box, we have the manual which we never read. And here is the beautiful watch and nothing else inside of the box. I wanted a bigger bezel this time. I think this is a 45mm. This comes with a silicone strap which is quite broad and heavy duty, which is a soft touch silicone. There is a protective film on this watch. This is not a diver's watch, you cannot rotate it, it's just for the styling. It also comes with a chronograph. So this is the ASMR time. You can see the thickness of the bezel, which I love. I am into big watches. I like the weight of the watch to be heavy. The face of the watch has chronograph. The left chronograph is actually the 24-hour marking and the right one is the day of the week and the bottom one is the date. And also the watch is mostly the chrome finish except at few places. Surrounding the strap, this is brushed finish. And even surrounding the crown, it is brushed finish. If you observe the edges of the seconds, it's slightly lifted up and the finishing is in piano black. The watch face itself is black. It's on a lighter tone. Okay guys, the top right button is to set the day of the week and the bottom right is to set the date. And the outer bezel has minute marking as well, which looks pretty sporty. So the crown and also the date setters have a rugged finish and the back of the case is covered in a stainless steel and it protects the watch up to 5 atm of water pressure. The model number is mentioned on it. We can see the fossil engraved on the silicone strap. And here is the stainless steel buckle. Here is the wrist roll. Let me remove the plastic protector on the crown. It's 1:42 and the day of the week is set and the date is also set. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and share with the watch enthusiasts. And this watch costed me 5,500 rupees, which is a steal deal. It does not come with luminescence on any of those markings except the dot at the top. So it's pretty disappointing.